Hello everyone, I am Richa God from Quick Maths. Question number 3 of exercise 13.2. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Suppose this is a metal pipe. This is a metal pipe. It is 77 centimeter long. The height is 77 centimeter. Inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. Means if this is, suppose this is R, this one is R, and this radius is capital R, outer radius is capital R, then he is saying inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Means first of all, inner diameter is 4 centimeter. So if radius is R, then we can say that inner radius is 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. Similarly, the outer diameter is also given. Outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, if outer radius is capital R, then we can say the capital R will be 4.4 by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter. So it is small r. It is small r. So we have inner radius and outer radius. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area. First of all, first part is inner curved surface area. The formula for curved surface area is 2 pi RH. And for inner, we have considered the radius small r. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7. The r is 2 and h is 77. So 7 will be cancelled, 77. So it will be 2 into 44 into 11, or we can say 88 into 11. So it will be 8, 8, and the sum of 8, 8, that is 16 will be here. So 968. 968 centimeter square. Now similarly, second part is outer curved surface area. Same formula, 2 pi, but the radius is capital R here. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7. The radius will be 2.2 into 77. So 7, 11 the. So here 2 multiply 22 into 22 into 11 by 10. Now we can multiply it here. 22, 22 the first of all. This one 2 to the 4, 4, 4, 4. It is 4, 8, 4. Again 22, because here 2, 3 times 22. Then it is 8, 16, 1 carry 9. 8, 16, 9. So 8, 14, 1, 16, 1, 1, 0, 6, 4, 8. So it will be 1064.8 because 10 is in the denominator. So it is this much, 1064.8 centimeter square. This is the outer curved surface area. Now the third part, last part, is about total surface area. Now the third part is total surface area. Now for this we have to clear one thing. In total surface area, this is the curved surface area. For total we have to consider the top as well as bottom. We have to consider In top, if we look at it, this is the top, this is outer, this is inner, this is small r, and this is capital R. Then this is the thickness. This is the thickness. So for this thickness, it will be, the formula for this is just pi r square. But for this thickness, we will remove this, we will create a difference of r and r so that we can create a thickness. So it will be pi r square for outer and pi r square for inner. This is a difference for thickness point of view because it is of metal pipe, and for this I can uh, highlight it with white color also, means this region, the space between the outer radius and the inner radius, it is called thickness, and we have to cover it in the total surface area. So this will be area of outer region minus area of inner region. So it will be pi r square minus pi r square. We can take pi common, it will be r square minus r square. This is a formula for top, and this is the same formula for bottom also, because in bottom there is also a circle. This is r and this is capital R. This is same for bottom. So for bottom is also pi r square minus pi r square. So it means for top and bottom we can multiply it with 2. It will be a 2 twice. Why? Because the same formula for thickness will be existed for top as well as for bottom. So it will be 2 pi r square minus r square. We will put the formula, we will put the parameters here and just calculate it. Now it will be 2 into 22 by 7 multiply and r square. Capital R is 2.2 square minus r is 2 square. So this will be 44 by 7 multiply 22 square. 22 square means 22 and 22. It might be a 468. We have calculated 4444. It will be 484. 484. It is 484. So 484 minus 4. This is 4.84 because it will be at two places of decimal also, na? Because here it is single place of decimal, we are doing square of it, so it will be at two places of decimal. So it will be 44 by 7 multiply minus, then it is 0.84, and this will be 7, we can cancel it, 0.71 the 7, 14 2 the, so 44 into 12. Now I am making a space here. Now 44 into 12, it is 8 8, it is 4 4, 8 12 1 528, it is 528, and here it is a decimal, so it is 5.28. This one is 5.28. Now the total surface area will become, so TSA will become addition of all the surface areas, inner surface area curved, outer surface area curved, plus thickness area. So it will be 968 plus 106. I am adding in the column way so that it will be visible to you. 968, 1064.8, and just a minute. Yes, 968 and 5.28. Yes, this is the addition of all. So it will be 8, it will be 10, 1 carry, 12, 13, 13 and 5 means 18, 1, 12, 13, 1, 10, 1, 2038.08. So it will be 2038.08 is the complete total surface area. So we have calculated first inner curved surface area. Radius is small one, that is 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. Outer curved surface area, radius is bigger one, that is 4.4 by 2, 2.2 is the radius we have calculated. Then after this for thickness, because in total surface area we have to calculate the thickness part also. So for thickness we will consider this formula twice of pi r square minus r square. So it will be 5.28 and we will add all these three areas to calculate the total surface area, and it will be 2038.08. Thank you so much.